So you get to your car and your car doesn't start. Here's a quick fix that can save you guys some extra money and some stuff you may not be aware of. Welcome to my channel, Doing Stuff and Things. Today we're going to do a battery exchange on the Abarth, but this applies to a lot of different cars and can save you quite a bit of money. So down here in South Florida, batteries don't seem to last very long. I went through several different batteries, different brands, and these batteries kind of died. So we're going to talk about exchanging out the battery. So most batteries are held in place by some kind of a clamp, like this one for the Abarth. And I want to let you know that places like Napa and Advance, they actually test your battery for free, and they'll also recharge your battery for free, and the battery that you buy from them has a warranty. So if you do the stuff yourself, you can save a couple bucks. What they do is the warranty continues. Like, this is a 3-year warranty. This battery lasted 8 months short of that warranty, so I got a replacement for free after they determined that the battery I had was bad. So removing the battery, most batteries have some type of a nut here that loosens the terminal. There's one other here on this side. You also want to get some thermal paste or thermal stuff for the stuff here to kind of lubricate this and keep corrosion from forming. So when removing the battery, it's going to be a simple process. You have your positive and negative connected. You want to go ahead and remove your negative and move it out of the way. You want to loosen this nut over here and remove the positive and move it out of the way. And then you have, for me, you have something that holds the battery in place. This one here has a little plate down here. You just unscrew this nut, slide this forward. If you can't, screw it all the way up till you can move it, or you can even remove it. That works too. Other cars have something over the top or some other way to secure the battery. The location of the battery depends on the car. Most cars have it in the front, but places like Beamer have theirs in the trunk. Putting it back in is pretty much the reverse of this thing. You're going to be taking a wrench down here, securing it in place over here by moving this forward and locking it back down. And then you connect the positive here. This is this one here. This pulls right up, except mine kind of broke off. You want to go ahead and connect the positive terminal here. Also make sure that you read. So plus red wire, minus black wire. So I'm going to connect our terminal here. It goes all the way down. And you want to connect the negative, which is right here. And it will spark. And you want to work that all the way in. Tighten the terminals down and you're set to go. Again, auto parts places will test and charge your batteries for you for free, and they often have a warranty on it. So I'm going to get this in. Till next time, take care from sunny Florida. Woo, it's bright out here.